Now we are going to start with another application of ultrasonic waves, that is the sonar. Sonar is actually sound navigation and ranging. Sonar is a very important phenomena which this abbreviation means sound navigation and ranging. Sonar is actually used to locate submarines. That means we can actually locate the submarines under the sea, and it is also used to know the depth of the sea. So how we make use of the sonar? See, suppose this is the ship, this is the ship, this is the water. I am just trying to explain you that how it works actually. Let us say that this is water, this is our ship. Let us name this ship as let us say Titanic, though it is not Titanic actually, but I am just naming it in order to make it interesting. So let us say that this is our ship. So under ship what is there? It is, there are transmitters fitted. At the base of ship we see that transmitters are fitted, and moreover there are receivers also. Let us say that this is receiver. So at the base of ship there are transmitters and receivers. Now how it works actually? Transmitters actually transmit the ultrasonic waves. Let us say that they transmit ultrasonic waves. These ultrasonic waves travel, and when they strike the bottom they just get reflected. So let us say that this is the reflected wave, and the reflected wave is actually received by the receiver. And you know that how we actually know that this, suppose I am just trying to know the depth of the sea. So at the base of ship there is a transmitter, it transmits ultrasonic waves. These ultrasonic waves when strike the base or any submarine we can say, or the bottom of the sea we can say, it gets reflected. As we all know that it undergoes a phenomena of reflection. So again it gets reflected, it follows same, it is a kind of echo only, right? It is striking a distant object, and this transmitted this thing, the reflected ray comes and it is received by the receiver. Now how we know about the depth? As we did in echo, speed is distance upon time. So that means the distance again here is 2x. So x comes out to be, suppose speed is denoted, this is speed denoted by v. So x is v into t upon 2. So suppose if we know the speed of ultrasonic waves in the water, and if we this thing note the time taken, that is the time taken to go inside and time taken to receive by the receiver, and we divide by 2, we can actually get the the depth of the sea. That means we can get the distance, whether it is the distance of the submarine from the top, or it is the distance of this thing, or it is the depth of the sea. So this is what is the sonar. I think you got it. So sonar is actually sound navigation and ranging. I am just explaining you the answer, that how you are going to write. It is sound navigation and ranging. It is used to locate submarines and to know depth of the sea. It make use of ultrasonic wave. It is clear because it is one of the applications. And how it works? At the base of the ship there are transmitters and receivers fitted. Transmitters actually transmit the signals in the form of ultrasonic waves. They travel through the sea water, and whenever they strikes the bottom or any submarine they get reflected back, and those reflected ones are received by the receiver. The time taken by the ultrasonic waves to go down and to get reflected, and or you can say to the time taken by the transmitter to transmit, and or you can say the time taken by a receiver to again receive it is noted, and by putting in this formula we can actually know the depth of the sea. So or we can locate the submarine. So this is what is the sonar. You know that why we are using ultrasonic wave in this case. What is the reason that we are using ultrasonic sound in this case? So the reason behind that is that ultrasonic sound, when we talk about, it has actually short wavelength. Short wavelength means it has high frequency, and moreover it does not lie in a human audible range, so it does not get confused with other sounds which we can hear actually, because ultrasonic sound cannot be perceived by humans, because our audible range is something 20 hertz to 20,000 hertz. So it does not fall in that, because we know that ultrasonic waves are those which have frequency more than 20,000 hertz. So this is what, so they have high frequency, short wavelength, and moreover they are not audible by humans, so it does not get mixed with any kind of sound. So this is what is the sonar.